What's up, buddy?
Hey, good morning. Very word of
I cannot hear you at all.
Really?
I can hear really loud music, and when you pulled the mic up, I could like hear you a tiny little bit.
Interesting. You have it on the speaker? You don't turn it down. About
My
13.
speaker's turned all the way up.
Is that any better with the music?
Still really loud on my end.
Weird.
Your voice is really, really quiet too.
Huh.
What's going on with that microphone?
It's a good question.
Get yourself a hairdo?
I got a haircut. Yes, I did.
It's looking good.
Thank you. Mic check. Mic check. Yeah, it is a tad bit quiet, isn't it?
Say something, Dave.
Was that worse?
Oh, there you go. Now I can hear you.
Okay, good.
Much better.
So I did a stream last night, eh?
You did a what?
I did a stream last night.
Nice.
All right, so it looks like we got mission sentiment at 10 a.m. here.
Oof.
So what are you thinking? Are you feeling a little bearish? Like why I'm starting to pop up here.
YM's popping up. We got orders up above 340 right now. We got 1 minute until the open. I'm just going to hold on for a few seconds. I'm not jumping into anything.
Well, it's popping a little bit. It's not really going that much yet.
262 to 307. Oh, I'm on a 3-minute chart. That's why it looks like it's a lot more than it is. Yeah, and the 5, it's candle looks a little smaller.
We're well above the midnight open price, so my midnight open retracement might actually work today.
You think it's going to come back down?
Well, you know, it's going to go all the way down to midnight open
I
necessarily.
mean, it
but,
did.
Yeah.
It has come up over the.
Go, just got the bell.
Ding, ding, ding. All right. Yeah, it's been coming up since 7 p.m. So. I hear Peter Hartman in the background right now.
Do you?
Yeah, hold on. Oh, I got Traders Post up in the in a thing. I was busting Mike and Peter's balls this morning for being silly. Yesterday on their evening podcast, they were cracking jokes about me. I don't know. Did you see the interview with me on Traders Post, where people were making comments about how I look like Mike's dad?
Oh, really? No.
Yeah, so Peter was cracking jokes because I haven't been making comments on their stream at all about me being an absentee father. So I had to mess with him a little bit with that.
Well, I'm up in a short on NQ right now.
No kidding. Wow, you jumped into that quick.
Yeah. It's a midnight open price. There we go. I'm out. Nice. That was beautiful. Great. $232. I'm done. No.
Way to do it.
I got 618 in this account. I was up 300 something from last night. So I'm not going to touch this one anymore. This is a 150K combine with Top Step.
Midnight price on YM is down at 48,840 level, somewhere around there. 48,860. I'm not seeing it pulling back down that far yet. Not for a while.
Yeah. Well, YM just popped, eh? Whoa.
Yeah, it popped real good.
Savage. So savage. Feel like I missed it now.
Yeah, I'm not getting into it now, not at this level.
Yeah, this is twice now that I remember earlier in the week we had a small little green candle right before the bell, and then it just ripped like this.
I'm going to be patient. Today is going to be the patience day. That gold trade I was in yesterday pulled back on me. So
yeah, it wasn't long after the stream, I think, right?
Yeah, like maybe 2 minutes tops. And
yeah, I know. I saw that. I was like, oh shoot.
Yeah, it blew me out of the water. Which, you know, I mean, I was still green. I just my dumb ass gave back about 40% of the profits that I had. So
yeah, it's such a catch-22, right?
Yeah, I mean,
how many times have you been holding those and got like way more, right? So
yeah, I mean, I did that one day, and I honestly, I think I tripled what a normal take profit would have been. But
yeah,
you know, when I went over my trade after hours, after looking at it, I realized that the indications were there for me to cut that trade after the first pullback based on the VWAP and the EMAs, for the high-a-day VWAP and the EMAs. So mostly the high-a-day VWAP. But
nice, yeah.
You know, I learned a $4,000 lesson that was
no doubt
a university level cost for a class.
Yeah, that's too bad. But I mean, it was a nice trade regardless. But yeah, I hear you. It's good that you can go back and look at it again and kind of open your eyes to some things that you may have overlooked, right? For sure.
Just trying to get better at trading. Honestly, like, I still have a lot to learn. So, yeah,
of course.
I'm gonna continue to go over my trades and figure out what it is that I'm doing right, what it is that I'm doing wrong.
Hey, good morning, Dad, and increase the odds. Good morning.
Good morning,
Great
guys. How you
gamble.
doing today?
And hey, did you tell them I'm not Tony Rago? Remember Increase Odds showed us that picture of Tony Rago?
Oh yeah.
That's very funny.
Good gordita.
Oh geez, YM. What are we doing here? I gotta be patient on this guy. Don't want to get burned. They're all popping though right now a bit. That NQ short was a good thing I stopped it out in profit there, because it's totally reversed the other direction. Hey, there's Johan. Good morning. Good morning, Johan. Do you leave your bot running overnight now, Johan? Or are you still keeping it on only when you're around to manage it? Damn this Dow, man.
That's
Missed it. Yes, you're keeping it going, or yes, you have to be around to manage it. Oh, little profit in gold with the bot. Nice. Okay, sweet. Now, I wonder if this pop is going to be short-lived, or what's the deal here? Let's look at the 4-hour chart here. See if we go. We're in a 4-hour bearish fair value gap on NQ. Let's take a look at ES here also. And ES also. They're both in a 4-hour bearish fair value gap right now. Geez, everything's just going up. Going to give MNQ the first 15 minutes to form a range, then see if price interests me. Also, if I sound off, it's because I had 1 hour of sleep, not joking, the last 2 nights.
Oh wow.
Sounds like you probably shouldn't be trading then today. That's just my suggestion. I know if I'm not getting enough sleep, I wouldn't be trading either.
Yeah, I mean, oof.
If you got a paper trading account, maybe take a trade on that. But you might be a little slower making poor decisions on a day where or 2 days where you're only getting 1 hour sleep.
Yeah, that's that is not optimal for good trading results. So, I mean, if you're planning on trading, take it real slow. Make sure that everything's lined up for what you want to do. I mean, pull out a notepad and just write down what it is that you're looking for and check them off. Take it real slow. Keep your size way down. Keep your stop losses where they need to be. Nobody wants to see you blow out an account.
Yeah.
At least I don't.
Oddly, I'm awake and alert, but I totally agree. Yeah.
Yeah, feeling awake and alert, still your brain function after not sleeping, it's a little wonky. So YM has got a new high-a-day VWAP here.
Oh yeah.
At 623.60. tiny little bit of pullback, but so far nothing to speak of. But the opening range is between 296 and 678, so almost 400 points there.
Yeah,
see if it does what it did yesterday and just be ripping up and down.
Up and down in the range, yeah, might, right? It is Friday. We do have some news coming up in about 19 minutes. Oh man, I really wanted to take a short there on the Dow or on NQ. We're just in that bearish fair value gap. I should have pulled the trigger. Didn't, but would have been up 40 points already, just like that. So Top One Futures, Clay up from Top One Futures is on Proffer Match. He's talking about a special discount code for Top One Futures accounts, 65% off. So
that's
an extra 5% off compared to what they have going on for everybody else, it looks like. You can still hook me up by using my QR code if you do go buy any.
You know what? I think I can still get 2 or 3 more, so I'll use your affiliate code on that. So I just took a YM long scalp, made $400.
Nice. There you go. YM's just being a beast. Back up to previous day high there.
Now, if it goes through previous day high, I'm going to start looking for more longs. I mean, if it gets up there and holds. I haven't even taken a look at NQ or ES yet.
Yeah, they both are popping up and kind of holding these levels up here. So
everything's going in the same direction. NQ's got orders up at 25,000, so that's something.
Yeah. The only thing about that I'm a little worried about is those 4-hour bearish fair value gaps.
All right.
Let's see. Yeah, we're in a bearish fair value gap from 88 up to 97 on NQ. Or 977. 889 to 980, basically. So it's a big, huge gap.
Yes, has got orders at 6,900 and quite a bit. Now, whether or not that's people's take profit points or if they have limit sells in, I don't know. But we're getting a lot of high volume bullish spheres showing up on Bookmap.
Yeah.
Let me just make sure this is set to 50 and not to 1. Yeah. Set to 50.
I was just taking 39,700 now. Wow. Oh yeah, we have I think I have a naked point of control on ES still above at almost it's at 69.67. So we did sweep sort of like the lows in pre-market, and then we've been just climbing. So I wonder, quite a bit of room to the upside. It's so interesting to hear Austin talking about value areas now. Hey.
Yeah, it is kind of weird. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
he's
Obviously he's been seeing Randy talking about it and seeing some confluences here and there.
getting another little pullback on YM, but we have news right now, right?
Yeah. Well, I think it's still 14 minutes.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Michigan sentiment's 10.
So we just had a New York VWAP and overnight VWAP crossover to the bullish side at the close of the last 3-minute candle.
Okay. Which
indice? On YM.
Oh, YM.
So I am looking.
A signal or reverse? Okay.
No, it's a continuation.
Gotcha.
So I am looking strictly for longs right now. When those New York VWAP and the previous day VWAP or overnight VWAP cross over like that, generally speaking, that's the trend that it's going to be in. You're still going to have pullbacks. You're still going to have retracements back to an average price, but generally goes long.
Yeah, I see that. I got a cross on the 5-minute from previous day VWAP and started day VWAP. Johan asked, is it an indicator to view overnight VWAP? I use an anchor. I just anchor it at the, when the 6 p.m. East Coast candle. But Nick, I don't know. He has a different.
So, and now is a perfect segue into a message from our sponsors. You can go to Traders Post and use code NickJ and sign up for a free account. Your free account will give you access to all of their indicators. So Tom actually built an indicator based on my trading strategies that automatically puts your VWAP at overnight VWAP, New York VWAP, and then you can have a custom one on there as well for midnight price, and it's just called Midnight VWAP. If you go to Traders Post, sign up for a free account, it gives you access to it. You can throw those right on your trading view and not have to worry about changing it every day. And Traders Post is not actually a sponsor, if anybody's wondering. I just use their stuff all the time. So I do think it's funny that Tom made an indicator based off of my trading strategy, and he did it in 20 minutes.
I was trying to get into a long there on YM, and then it flushed down. Luckily, my order got left, so I closed the order, and it flushed right down to where my order was.
I'm not looking at longs yet until it hits about 565, somewhere 570, somewhere around there.
That's where the VWAP is, eh? Yeah.
There's still a bunch of orders on Bookmap down there. That's where overnight VWAP is sitting, and there is a bullish fair value gap starting at 572, and it goes down to 516. Some orders popping on at the 640 level on YM.
Wow, what a bounce there on YM.
Bounce. Yep. So I was wrong about waiting, but I'm okay with that. I'll be patient.
No, for sure. Yeah. And there goes
Up.
NQ also. And
Up above opening range high.
This is one of those days where it's just not going to give us a chance to get in.
Yep. And that's
so far, anyways.
And that's okay. I'm not not going to be in a rush today. I'm going to pay attention to indications for getting out of a good trade, so I don't do the same shit I did yesterday and leave a ton of money on the table.
Yeah, those sting a bit.
Yeah, I mean,
learn your lesson though.
I did. I was still happy with the trade.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
I was. I mean, the P&L looked good, but when I look at the trade, I was happy with myself and my patience, but I was disappointed in myself in reading the chart and actually catching the indication that it was going to pull back on me. Having my stop losses moved into profit, though, is what really saved my ass.
Yeah. How do you like trading on RH? It looked kind of nice. RH?
Rhythmic? I don't trade on Rhythmic. Oh, Robinhood. So a lot of people will go on and on about how shitty Robinhood is and whatnot, but it's simple. You have the ability to close out of a trade if you're in a multiple day long like swing trade or something like that. You have the ability to do it from your phone, which I do like if I'm like going around somewhere and I see that something's pulling back. I can hit the exit all button. It flattens everything. After that whole GameStop thing, people were all pissy about it. All sorts of butt hurt. But I don't care. I'm not a degenerate. I'm not trading GameStop or any stocks or any of that bullshit. So it doesn't matter to me. Their fees are pretty damn cheap. Their fees are better than Charles Schwab, IBKR, and it's a very simple platform.
Yeah.
I always do my analysis on TradingView, though. I do not use their platform for analysis.
TradingView is the best.
Yeah, TradingView is hands down the best. If you need to do analysis, that's what you use. Or NinjaTrader. A lot of people do really like NinjaTrader. It's too busy for me.
I've never tried it, so
it's I have. I've used Thinkorswim, I've used NinjaTrader, Tradeovate, TradingView. I tried using Rhythmic for a grand total of about 45 seconds and immediately deleted it off my computer because it was a dumpster fire. But my favorite is definitely TradingView. All right, here's a little pullback on YM.
I ended up taking a little trade and pullback right now. I made like 100. What was it? 135 on IM short, and then I just locked in. It was only $12, but
all right,
in 2 accounts on my Lucid accounts.
So you've had 2 green trades today.
3, yeah. 3. Yeah, the one out of the gate just closed a YM short not long ago, and then now this NQ. I should have pushed it quite a bit lower. Could have definitely got a little more out of it. I only went in with one micro though, in each account, so that's why it was only $12.
I love it when you're making money short and I'm making money long.
Yeah,
That always makes me smile.
yeah. Yeah, MNQ put in a big wick. They had an indecision candle, and then the next 5-minute candle put in a big wick. So that's the big wick is the one where I was in on the YM short, and then the continuation there, I jumped in on the NQ and just got a little scalp. But I wasn't that confident in the NQ one, so I went with really small size, just one micro in each copied account there, 2 accounts.
Yes, might get another little bounce here. Got orders coming off underneath and coming on up above. Got orders up at 800 now.
There goes that was the end of that pullback there on NQ so far.
Just went in 4 minis long on YM.
Cresiod said 24919, it's calling my name, but I'm holding out for now.
Dig it. And I'm out.
Nice trade. There you go.
For $230.
Sweet. Do I have any videos on how to use Bookmap? No, but that's a good idea. I should definitely put one together. Who has some good videos on that right now?
Bookmap does. If you go to Bookmap's website, or just go to YouTube and type in Bookmap, make sure the videos are coming from Bookmap, though. I watched one a couple of weeks ago that was just the guy doing it was dumber than a bag of hammers. But the ones that are from Bookmap's channel are actually really good. Shows you different ways to set it up, how to read it, and also just ask people questions in here, because I can't even remember who told us to use the minimum trade size and minimum displayed volume.
Yeah, who was that again?
But that did help quite a bit.
Yeah, I get rid of all those balls except for the occasional important ball.
Yep. Getting rid of the noise. Because I took the balls off my my trader's post, off my Bookmap completely, because it was just too damn much. I don't need to have that much information smacking me in the face on a regular basis. But when you slow it down a little bit and you actually get a sense for how the market's moving, it does make a bit of a difference.
We just got news. 57.3, the forecast was 55, and the previous was 56. Not sure what that means. Is it a beat? It's a red indicator, so I'm assuming that's down. I don't really know how to read that news though. Oh no, it's a beat. It's green. Never mind. They're green, so they were better than expecting. So Johan said, "I like it, Dave," but I wasn't sure. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Maybe I forgot that already. Forgot what
was that?
Well, Johan said, "I like it, Dave," and then I'm like, not sure what she's talking about though. So interesting. Hey, Austin's got a guest on the show, and it honestly it looks like he's sitting on his bed with the laptop on his like on his lap.
Might be.
Because the background is like, it looks like the headboard of a bed. Oh, a video on Bookmap? Yeah, I should do one. And then I can see the like the camera's bouncing around a bit, so it's definitely like on his legs. Okay, we got YM's going up, and NQ and ES are starting to roll over a bit here more.
Still bullish on YM.
Yeah, still pretty bullish. NQ's dipping down into a bullish fair value gap right now from the opening candle. Ooh, there's quite a pullback on NQ here. A little bit scary.
Bit of a pullback on YM too. I'm assuming it has something to do with this news.
The news came out as a positive, which is interesting. Talking about Iran stuff right now and on Financial Juice.
So what was easier for you to trade? A Biden market or a Trump market?
Good question. I'm in a long here. Why isn't it showing on here? What the heck? Oh, I'm on the wrong account. Okay, well, I'm on the wrong account in trading view, not wrong account overall. Made 108 now in the two Lucid funded accounts. There's just too many accounts and too many things to keep this track here, because I would have had to log out of my top 1 futures and log into my Lucid Direct.
Oh, I just took a 1 micro long on YM.
Next long you'd look at is 24,615 area for NQ. Okay, so you're hoping to get in longer at a really big pullback then. Is that kind of like Asia lows or something, or let me see here. Okay, I see a bunch of stacked highs there before the London session. I took that trade on a bullish fair value gap. It pulled back into one of the opening candle bullish fair value gap. I took the long there. I did add to it. That's a good thing about going in with one micro. As long as it kind of stays relatively in your area, I'm willing to add a little bit to it to sort of get a better price. If it would have broken any lower than it did, I was about to cut it, but it hung out there and then bounced up, so I trailed it up and stopped it in profit nicely.
Down $8 in my long.
On the NQ or YM.
On the YM.
Yeah, it's so funny. That guy's just literally trading from his bed. Gotta love that.
As long as it works for you. I don't think I could do it. Wow, I'm up $1.50 on this trade. Woo!
You know what that deserves, right?
Prizes. What's that?
Yeah, I said, you know what that deserves, right?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We're trying to be funny this morning.
I mean, we got nothing else going for us, so.
Yeah. What do you mean? What about our useful looks, man?
Did you say youthful looks?
Yeah. I'm trying to be funny. Come on.
On your end, maybe.
Okay, I think I only have 2 accounts left without any trades so far, so I might be done a little bit early here if I can get a couple more winners. I have a system I work with, obviously not perfect, but I anchor a VWAP from the 12:30 p.m. Central, 1:30 New York, previous session, and without Globex, so just the New York hours. That's right around the 2:24-6:15 zone. Oh, that's interesting because yeah, when I look at the pre-market price here, like that 24.16 right here, has a whole bunch of stacked highs here. Had a huge consolidation. We did sell off a little bit before, and then we just ripped up. So, like the high of these is like 24.613. So it's kind of an interesting confluence there.
YM's got a bunch of orders now up at 860.
Looks like you're making a couple more bucks now.
Let me look at my Traders Post dashboard. I am up $43.
Woo! Times 60?
Yeah. No, 54.
Okay. Wow.
Only trading 54 accounts today.
Only
so
54, guys. Only 54.
Don't get crazy on me there, Dave.
Yeah, it's another inside day so far here on NQ and ES. More so on NQ. ES is starting to look like, I think YM's sort of helping NQ out a bit here. Or, sorry, YM's helping out ES here. Oh, Ralph just woke up.
All right, Ralph. How about Daddy? You need some stuff here. Creating a bullish fair value gap. So we're heading up towards that all-time high for YM again at 49,897.
There's Ralph.
So I had a trailing stop loss set on my command pad, and that trade turned into a $25 winner. Make sure all my accounts are closed out. Perfect execution. All right. I'm really digging this command pad.
Sorry about that. I had to deal with Mr. Ralph a little bit.
Good.
Had to go squeeze his bladder.
All right. Well, that's something.
Yeah.
I don't know who was
Your
asking about the. I'm sorry. What was that?
Well, increased odds said my internet just chopped out.
I hope you were not in a trade.
Haven't seen Darren in a couple days.
He's on a fishing trip with the boys.
Yeah. I think you're being sarcastic, right? Or are you serious?
I am. I'm being facetious.
Facetious.
I have no idea what Darren's doing. He never calls me anymore.
I came back to squeeze his bladder. Hell yeah.
Was it the bladder short squeeze?
Yeah.
All right. My patience is starting to wear a little bit thin. I'm gonna go grab some coffee and hit the head. I'll be back.
Did you get out of that long?
Oh yeah.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry. I don't have the StreamYard thing up. You were gone when I was talking about it. I had a $50 trailing stop loss on that YM long through the dash command, and as it pulled back, it stopped me out. I made $25 per account. So
nice. Okay, cool.
So not great, not horrible.
Yeah.
But it's $25 I did not have when I woke up this morning. So that and my one trade on my cash account, or two trades on my cash account, green for the day. So no matter what, I'm happy. Shit, I'm happy even if I'm red for the day.
Yeah.
Increase the odds. I came back to squeeze his bladder. I'm gonna go squeeze my own bladder. I'll see you in a minute.
Oh yeah, that's some good hot coffee. Let's see. Can you guys hear that on the mic? ASMR, guys. ASMR. My apartment complex has a nice Java machine. I might go run and grab some. Nice. Like they have a machine that you guys can all use. That's sweet. Yeah, I put the coffee pot right in my bedroom, right next to the computer, so I can literally just like slide over a little bit to the right, a little bit over here, and then load up the coffee. Nice. Do you have to pay for that, or is it like free with the like Strata stuff? I'm assuming you probably have to pay for it. Oh, it's free. Oh, nice. That's even better. After these last couple candles, I'm pretty tempted to short on NQ right now. But also that last candle closed pretty strong. Nice. You don't have to buy coffee anymore, yeah. Oh, good thing I didn't short that. It's popping up here. We're in this bearish fair value gap right now, though. see what happens here at the 900. We have the some orders here at 900, some at 912, and then above that up to 100 points higher at 25,000. So if we can get a nice inverted bearish fair value gap here, that would be pretty awesome. Basically like that. Right now it's bearish.
So what'd I miss? Anything good happen?
Nope, just been chilling out. I was eyeballing this 24,900 for an inverted fair value gap, and then we literally touched it and reversed like 100 points down, almost 90 points on NQ there. I should have been looking at a short, but I was like thinking there it was looking so bullish that I thought like we might end up inverting it and then head to the orders up at 25,000. Then I looked away for a second and we were already below the VWAP, and I'm like, well, I don't really want to chase it now. It's the entry.
Don't fight VWAP. You will lose.
Can't chase it down where it was, because it might do exactly what it's doing right now. Bounced right up. Oh my god, you should see prop firm matches. You know, they're doing the wheel, like the spin wheel to like give away like you literally there's got to be 300 400 people on there or something, because you can't even like, I've never seen it that packed before. Seriously, it's so packed. Holy crap, man. It was a good time to short, but now look at it. It did that big reversal candle, and now it's just going higher.
So what I just said about not fighting VWAP, the overnight VWAP, YM's price came down, touched it. As soon as it came back up above VWAP, the previous day's VWAP, I went long. And I'm up $22.
Nice.
One micro.
That's pretty good on one micro. One micro on YM is only 50 cents per point. So This push-pull on the order flow is so dumb. Yeah, it's a pretty dangerous price action here. Wealth gaps in sentiment continue to widen, mirroring trends seen in 2023 and 2024. So, what does that mean? Top tercile of stock holdings AMA, top tercile of stock holdings February 2026, no stock holdings February 2026. Not really sure what that means, but it's an index of consumer sentiment. Maybe we'll get that inversion here now. We're giving away 550K Ignite instant funded accounts on Prop for Match right now. Because they got Clay from Top 1 Futures there.
That's lovely.
Okay, increase the odds. See you in a minute. "44 seconds here on this candle. I'm not really sure what to do with this price right now.
Nothing. I'm out of my long. I made $7.50.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna
stacking those base hits.
Oh, that's not even a base hit.
Covering those costs.
Yeah, essentially. After fees and commissions, which will hereforth be known as commies, probably made like $250.
Initial balance just set, guys. So we got initial balance high is up at 24,984. So maybe we are going to head to the 900s here. I am hoping we're going to get an inverted fair value gap here. Pulling back here again a bit. 900 level seems to be a little bit hard for them to take and hold above anyways. But all the orders are above, so it's kind of like, seems like we're going to go that way. Ooh, big slap lower on the NQ.
See if the YM follows it.
Yeah.
It's like ES wants to stay in that, stay within that opening range.
Yeah, it seems like it so far.
The initial balance isn't much more than the opening range.
Yeah, it's exactly the same, isn't it? Or oh no, that was 5 minutes after.
Not quite, but pretty damn close.
Yeah. Very close.
Initial balance high is 907.30.
I went and did a 1 hour 5K hike yesterday, midday. Pretty good little hike up the mountain by my property here.
Why on earth would you do something like that?
Sounds just like to make my legs sore today.
It just sounds like exercise to me.
Yeah, it is. But it was, I had to go touch some grass and enjoy a little bit of sunshine that we had. So,
no, I'm with you on that one.
It's pretty crazy. This mountain has all kinds of bike tracks on it. Like people build mountain bike routes, and there's actually some pretty crazy like features that they have, like big huge jumps, and like they like cut this tree in half and it's like it's curved, and they like made it like a wood ramp that you ride over. It's pretty cool.
That sounds like a load of fun.
Yeah, I mean, pretty dangerous, but fun for sure.
Yeah, I mean, most fun things are at least a little bit dangerous.
True that.
ES is now above the 900.
Oh, are we going to get that inversion now? Looking like we might get that inversion. Ooh, we're popping real good here on this candle.
What are you looking at now?
NQ.
Thank you.
I've been waiting for this bearish fair value gap on that original pullback to get inverted. And this candle's closing here in 13 seconds. So looking like we're going to get that inversion. So what I would like to see is us to pull back into the fair value gap and hold, like slow down on the next candle, and then start moving towards 25,000. I got an order sitting in there. See if we can't get a pullback here before the continuation. Maybe that was the end of the pullback right there. 906.75. But we do have a lot of resistance, I feel like, above. There's quite a few orders up 45, 50, 75.
Yeah, the book map is lit up on you up at 2,500 or 25,000. Again, numbers are hard. Same thing with ES. It's kind of 280 orders underneath us at 68.96.50, but everything else is way higher.
Increase odds, totally agree. Nothing like that first sip of coffee. 100%.
First sip of coffee. You've been on the chart for 1 hour and 7 minutes. What? You're just now getting that first sip of coffee?
His strata has an espresso or a coffee machine, a huge coffee machine that's like free for all the people who live there. So he had to run down and grab it. Not getting that pullback, but we're not really making any momentum higher either yet. So just be patient here.
ES is doing the same thing right now. We got a little red in this candle, but it is above the opening range. So we're gonna end up with that opening range breakout trade today on ES.
Oh, good point. Yeah, we are sitting right around that area. My auto sync has been acting pretty weird on TradingView. Sorry, TradeZella. Not really. It's showing no trades today, which isn't true. Because I'm up 231 in the one top one futures account. The other two are empty, and my Lucid accounts are both up 108. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 400 something. It should at least be logged. And then I got those. Well, I got the take profit traders are not connected because they're just evals. And this 150K top step eval isn't connected either. So this one I'm up 618.
Interesting. My TradeZilla is showing that I am down $1,500.
Huh. Hey, there's Candle Dealer. Good
I
morning.
don't know.
Increase Odds said, hear me out on this. If we really do have momentum on a breakout here, it could be pretty strong because we'd be breaking out from yesterday's New York high as well as MNQ. Yeah, previous day high from yesterday is 25,171. Or you're talking about the New York high? Oh, the New York high is at like just during the open, 24,962. Gotcha. YM's pushing up pretty big right now, up to all-time highs actually. YM's just touching all-time highs right now.
Yes, it's pushing up.
Tapped all-time high level and sort of pulled back, 15, 20 points, something. Not a huge pullback, but how are y'all? I'm taking it slow, trying not to blow my accounts. Yeah, good call, Candle. We're doing good. Mostly green across the boards right now. And yeah, taking it slow also. It's a responsible way to do it. I'm just sitting here with a limit order trying to get picked up. I'm definitely curious about this YM. But I actually have to go to the bathroom, so I'm going to remove this order and I'll be right back.
Are you removing that order? I am tempted to take an ES long if it pulls back a little bit. ES may make it all the way up to 69.20 today. Yes, sitting around 69.10, 69.11, and all above it is lit up on the book map. There's a block of orders at 69.06, but that's the vast majority of the orders underneath. It ate up those orders. Now there's orders at 69.03. YM's also getting a pullback off that all-time high.
So so YM took out the all-time high, swept it a little bit, and turned around.
Yep. So YM made a new all-time high, 916.20. Turned around off of that, is heading back towards VWAP. Heading back towards previous days VWAP. Oh, we shall see.
ES is looking bullish, as Candle says. Need a good pullback though, 6,900. Almost there already.
Yeah, there's orders at 68.96 right now. 280 orders. The orders there was nothing underneath except for, it was like 69.07 at one point. So as it's coming down, orders just keep popping up underneath.
Yeah.
And it looks like 50% of those are algo orders. There was somebody trying to pull this price down. Yeah. Because they keep coming off and dropping. And it's the same number of orders, 50%.
6,900, 68.97, 68.96, 68.92.
891, 68.89 now. Yeah, they're some market maker right now is just pulling price down.
This is where I should be getting in my long here, actually, on NQ, in this pullback to this fair value gap. Right contract, yeah. I'm only doing one contract here just because that is a pretty strong pullback. I might get burnt on this, so
tempted to go in here with just one mini on a long on ES, and I did.
Well, I added to it when it bounced, and then now it's heading back below my entry price. So a little dangerous. Tried to add to the winner. Yeah, I tried to add to the winner, and it brought up my average price, and now it's below the average price.
So are you going in with
I just went to one
single micro. Yeah, so when you're going in with a single micro, when you add to it, it takes off about 50% of your
yeah,
entry price. If I'm looking at something in a strong trend, I usually go in with 3 contracts and I add 1 at a time. Just so that way it doesn't just eat up all of my entry price or average entry price.
Mm-hmm. And a little bit of a deeper pullback. We broke the New York VWAP, unfortunately. Might end up taking a loss on this guy here.
Yeah, I'm looking at a loss on my ES long as well. I'm staring down the barrel of a loss. YM's coming down pretty hard.
One minute and 22 seconds on this candle here, so yeah, not looking very good at the moment. Looking like it might be $150 to $200 loser if it goes much lower than this. It's just a single the top 1 futures funded account here. Yeah, I got stopped out there. Damn, that's too bad. 250 actually. Much deeper pullback there than I was expecting. This happens to me sometimes, though. I don't know why. This has happened to me multiple times where I end up taking a long. Before it, well, I mean, it seemed like it was grinding out there at the bottom of the fair value gap before I entered. Went to my stop basically went past my stop by 2 points, and then bouncing up a little bit, but not looking that promising that it's going to turn around at this point.
Yeah, on this ES trade, I got 750 in risk on it. So now that this new 5-minute candle's printing, if this starts dropping below the 21,
yeah,
hard, I'm just going to close it. But the 21 does tend to be a little bit of a support level when it's in an uptrend, so. Hey, just made back half my losses. All right.
Nice.
Keep going up. Keep going up. So again, this was a mistake on my part. I went in a long mid candle on weakness with selling volume.
Yeah, me too.
If I would have just done what I was supposed to and waited until it got down to a key level and went in long there, I'd be up $2,000 right now.
Yeah, right.
So this has been a week of mistakes on my end. I think I might need to take a little bit of a break. Stop just pushing buttons and start paying a little bit more attention and have a checklist of things to look for on a trade. Yeah. This is the second actually really stupid mistake that I've made this week. So full disclosure, I am not the sharpest tool in the shed. I am going to lock in $75. Yeah, locked in 100. I really do hate it when I do dumb shit like that.
Yeah, it's pretty annoying.
We're at that 6,900 level on ES again. So I am going to lock in 200 in case it starts pulling back. All right, made 200.
Very nice.
I am's bouncing pretty hard too. It's going into a bearish fair value gap on the 5-minute.
Quite the reversal.
On YM.
On NQ there, on that pullback. Or, yeah, pulled back, stopped me out, then reversed basically well above my price.
Yeah, I think I'm slowing it down now. I switched over to the 15-minute chart on YM. Channel narrowed between New York VWAP and previous days VWAP, so
yeah,
I'm gonna have to wait for a decent pullback to go in long anywhere. But again, I have to follow my rules and not do anything stupid again. And it's above VWAP, don't fight it.
That's true.
As much as I'd like to take a short down.
Why I'm looking like it's trying to go back to all-time highs here.
ES is pushing up as well. So orders are still on at 69.20 on ES on the micros.
Yeah, we just broke an opening range high there on ES. Well, a little bit more. That's actually initial balance high. Yes, come on, yes. Johan says.
Well, cheer it on.
Why I'm flirting with that all-time high, the new all-time high level. Is that the level 2 on the left there?
Yeah. That's what I was looking for.
Little pop out of the ES. Pop it up.
Looking at 69.20 for a level. I have a take profit set up. At 69.42.25.
Yeah.
Just for shits and giggles, I'll be closing it out before it hits there, obviously. Locking in 450. Right through that high a day again.
So this might be the breakout from the New York high yesterday, like I mentioned earlier. I'm currently long one MNQ from 24,915. Hey, that's your level you've been talking about. Nice job.
ES is playing with 69.13 and just dancing around it. Got 321 orders at 69.1750, 273 orders at 69.20. Get a Randy B candle here.
Yeah.
It's gone up $1. All right. 69. Oh, 69.15. Locked in 650.
Let's see. I just heard some news about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up at 69,000 now. Nice bounce. Wow. Hit a low of like 60,000, 60,000, and then now it's 69,000.
What was it I said yesterday? 56,000 was the price on Bitcoin that I was looking at.
Yeah. Didn't quite get there.
And I was just looking at it. I don't trade cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
I'm interested in it, but that's as far as that goes.
Yeah.
Still have 274 orders up at 69.18 on ES micros.
Shoot. Totally smashed my mic there.
Yesterday you punched it. What's going on? You really hate that mic this week, don't you?
It's just like kind of like right near my mouth, so occasionally. There you go. Yeah, getting a nice breakout here on MNQ.
I just locked in 875 on this. I'm not loving the fact that it's just sitting at this price right now.
Yeah.
But I'm up like 1,100.
Nice, yeah.
1,225. I'll take it. If this candle starts turning green. So I got 1,000 locked in.
Nice.
Like I said, I'm not loving this price action, so
Just being aggressive on locking it in.
I'm not going to make the same mistake I did yesterday. And it's just, this is a too many trade, so
Pretty heavy.
yeah, I don't want to let it drop down 10 points. And I'm out. Made $1,000. I'll take it. Oh, is that my screen up there on the? Wow. All right.
Yeah, you were up there.
Yeah, I added it so that way you could pull it up if you wanted to. I didn't realize you did.
Oh no, when you add it, I think it automatically will put it up. That's why.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
I should have changed it over to the account that I was.
Oh, so that wasn't the account that you're trading.
No, this is the trading view one. I was trading it on a Robinhood account.
Yeah, I think we did see that. It wasn't on TradingView up until just not long ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was on this one.
Is it back up now?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Now I'm going back to TradingView. I'll be back.
Okay. So everything is telling me to cut this trade now because my internet keeps going out. Yeah, that's scary. Snaz, hey, how's it going? Good morning. It's going pretty good today. Moved my stop into profit from 9.15 to 9.44. Nice, okay. Basically 20 points. 24,980 now. If it falls here, I don't want it. Yeah, for sure. On Wall Street, gold is pretty choppy today. Oh wow, yeah. Popped up right out of the first 2 5-minute candles and then kept going higher, but making lots of like wicking up and down movements, eh? Yeah, it's pretty wild. Pretty choppy wildness. Nothing to write to my mother. LOL.
Nothing to write home to mom about.
Yeah, nothing to write home to mom about. Yeah. Hey,
Gold is pretty
Great Odds.
choppy today.
Appreciate that also. Thanks for coming in. Happy to have you here.
Remember to hit that like button and subscribe.
Yeah.
Can't believe I just said that, but it happened.
So we got to 369 subscribers and 5 likes. Well, 5 likes today, but 369 subscribers. So grinding our way up to 500 area.
Oh, holy crap. We're both green today? Is that right?
Yeah.
It's a good Friday.
Yeah, I'm pretty much ready to getting ready to wrap it up here.
Yeah, price action is pretty stagnant. Volumes decreased. See what's in the news.
Oh,
U.S. stock showing strong move back to the upside. Dow reaches record high. Yeah, we saw that. Thanks. So this command pad thing is working out really well.
Nice.
I got to get a hold of Apex Trader though, because they keep telling me that I've had too many executions and I'm not sure if it's because they have a 60 execution limit through Trade-A-Bait, and I'm trading 20 accounts through them.
Oh yeah.
So after my first trade round trip, that's 40 executions. So when I put in my second trade, if it's within an hour, it rejects all my exits.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's
so
so
I have to go into Trade-A-Bait and try and exit them manually.
Yeah.
Which I don't want to do that. Excuse me. I do like having the trailing stop loss in here.
Yeah, no doubt. Can kind of set it and forget it.
Yep. Especially if I'm taking a trade prior to the opening range being set. Like on this first 15-minute candle here, it's just straight up.
Yeah, so it's like you don't have to manage it. It just brings it up automatically, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, even this right here. That 9:30 candle, it went down. If I got in here, it would have just followed it all the way up. I could have closed it manually on that first 2-minute candle.
Oh shoot, Johan forgot to close the stop limit. Yeah, I got in a habit of always clicking that exit market and cancel after. Okay, Johan, yeah. Have a great weekend.
Have a lovely weekend. Unplug for a little while, go touch some snow.
Snow angels.
I'm gonna go make a snow angel. Actually, I want to make a beach sand angel. Yeah, I think you are correct. It is definitely time to start wrapping it up. Snow equals irk. Yeah. Painful. Not a fan. Lay on a beach and make sand angels. Everybody in the chat was green today too, weren't they?
Yeah, I think everyone had a pretty good day.
So that is awesome. -20 this weekend? Where the hell are you, Antarctica?
East Coast of Canada. Pretty cold. Whew.
No, thank you. Excuse me.
I'm in a YM long.
Are you?
I went with 2 contracts. I closed one, $95 profit. The other ones might get stopped out here if it pulls back much further than this. I've got my stop $40 in profit, sort of at the low of this current 5-minute candle. Hoping that we're going to kind of head back towards the highs.
Well, you are in a bullish fair value gap right now.
Yeah, that was kind of my entry criteria. We held that last candle pretty nicely.
You just enter off the previous day VWAP?
No, I just entered.
54?
I got in at 850, but it was like in that fair value gap. Basically, like we are kind of holding and wicking up here. So I'm up 180 on this last contract here.
So it looks like it's moving up a little bit for you.
Locking in 105 now.
So there's orders up at 920. There's 106 orders up there. Looks like it's all algos.
I see that. 910, 920, 930.
It's all algos.
Come on, Randy B. Summon us.
Yeah, right.
Worst case scenario, I locked in 105 already, so I don't want to bring my stop up too fast here, though. This will be a $200 trade, basically, if I get stopped out. If anyone is interested, here's a code I just saw, Quant Crawler. All evals 80% off first month, 50% off recurring with the code. Oh, on Apex. Wow. Quant Crawler.
Back from that. Quant Crawler.
Okay, locking in 135 now. Trailing this up a little bit. Trying to give it a little space to breathe, though.
Well, thank you, Johan. That was very kind of you. And if you have a code for Apex or whatever, let us know. We'll throw it up there. I don't have a code for him. Dave doesn't have a code for him.
Okay, locking in 180 here on this guy.
Damn.
See if we can't get him more of a pop. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm going to lock in 200 here now. Come on, hold it up.
Nice trade.
There we go. Lock in 225. Oh, nice little pop there.
Oh,
Don't
hell
pull
yeah.
that.
Keep going.
I'm going to put my
New
stop at the
all-time
bottom of that. Put my stop at the bottom of that candle. If I get stopped out. There, I'm out.
Hey,
Nice.
that was a good trade.
Yeah, so 967 in this 150K trading combine here today. So yeah, that was good. That sounds like a good note to end the trading day on. Oh, look at it now. Oh, shoot.
Wow.
There's like another $100 right there.
All orders just came on at 960 and 50,000.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I can't get into a long. I mean, it's tempting to chase this, but I can't do it.
Yeah. Okay, well, maybe we should just wrap it up there. Yeah.
I believe so. Johan, D equals the sorry. I'm thinking in French.
Yeah. Quant
Sorry.
is the code.
Code. We understood you. It's all right.
Yeah.
We're not as dumb as we look. Dave's not as dumb as he looks.
Yeah. Well, sometimes, but no.
I mean,
All right. Thanks, everybody. Johan, increase the odds. My dad. What else did we have here? Snaz was here a bit earlier. Candle Dealer. Good chatting with you guys. Some of the usual guys we didn't really have. We didn't see Czar today. And no Darren. Oh, but I think Darren's been working. That's what it is. Remember, I think he said he got a job.
oh, that's
Yeah,
right.
he did say so. Yeah. So,
Yeah, he went and got himself a day job.
yes. Okay, guys. Well, hey, thanks so much.
Thank you all. Have a lovely weekend. And Dave, I'll see you bright and early on Monday.
Yeah, I'll be live on Sunday night for that stream, so hopefully I'll get some heckling in the background from you.
All right, I'll heckle you as much as I can. All right,
Sweet.
I'll talk to you later, man. Have
Hey.
a good one.
See ya. Your internet's getting chopped out? I stopped out by a few ticks. Okay, well, hey, locked in the profit. At least you're losing your internet while you have a stop in profit, right? That would be the worst, is when it's like not in profit. So, okay, guys, thanks so much. See you, Candle. See you, Increase Odds, and Johan, Dad, Candle Dealer. Yeah, I said that already, but thanks, guys. We will see you guys on Sunday. Nice. Yeah, we wanted to make it all back. Yeah, for sure. Okay, guys. Talk to you later. Have a good one. Happy weekend, and I'll see you guys Sunday night if you're around. What is it? 7 p.m. East Coast time. Peace out. Have a good one.